Meet Colin. Colin is a contracts professional working on a joint venture project between a national oil company and a consortium of international oil companies to build a $5 billion gas plant. Colin is a very experienced contracts professional, but meeting the demands that are fired at him every day is a challenge that's preventing him from managing the contracts he looks after and recognising and mitigating the risks that regularly pop up. Let's have a look at his problem. Communications from contractors, engineers, cost professionals, and project management are flying at him from all directions. He receives some in hard copy, some by fax, and an awful lot more by email. Email is the bane of his life. It's too difficult to manage within Outlook. Searching for messages and attachments is slow and cumbersome, and the relationship between a series of email messages is not apparent unless they have exactly the same subject title. Colin has already been advised by his legal team that email communication is admissible in court as a formal instruction from the project, and it's therefore vital that he can find a message when he needs it. Resourceful Colin has set up an Excel spreadsheet in an effort to track contractual changes and contract milestones. In addition to general correspondence from contractors, he has to deal with technical queries, schedule delays, site instructions, variation requests, cost overruns, applications for payment, and a whole lot more. Some of the information is in the form of a document and archived in a document management system, but Colin is underinformed when he tries to reconstruct the rationale for a decision made months ago and the impact of that decision. Managing this interwoven history of information, communications, and decisions by email is a real hassle. Technology is supposed to make his job easier, not harder. How can he manage these lengthy and complicated contractual relationships which underpin the success of the project? There must be a better way. Yes. Smart organisations in the oil and gas industry implement ProCon from 8/8. ProCon is a project-wide rapid contracts management system that helps them defend their position by providing absolute clarity on where responsibility lies and acts as a referential point of truth. Understanding where responsibility lies is essential in order to assess claims. ProCon eliminates the grey areas by reducing the volume of untraceable contract communications and sheds light on why a particular decision was made. Colin's project implements ProCon as its end-to-end contracts management system. The pulse of the project is now captured and measured via the contracting relationships. Each decision, communication, and obligation is tracked and stored. Risks are flagged to those that need to know, and overruns forecast. Claim files are no longer reams of documents, but now more detailed stories that clearly and concisely chronicle the rationale for any given situation. Colin is one of many in the contracts team who, with this single contracts management system, can provide the information necessary to forecast, manage and mitigate the risks now associated with today's capital projects. What he has at his fingertips is what a contract manager needs. ProCon captures the project circumstances that existed when a particular decision was made. For example, the approval of a significant variation request. This is frequently an interwoven series of telephone calls, electronic correspondence, minutes, actions, supporting documents, financial estimates, schedule impacts, board decisions, partner approvals, and formal instructions. These are now interlinked in a timeline trail held within ProCon. Colin is now much happier. He's far more confident that he has all the information he needs to answer queries from within and out with the project, and to defend any of the project's contractual positions and decisions, which is what Colin, an experienced contracts professional, likes to do and is paid to do.